Why is it that we can have people with the same access to AI, the same use of technology, identical platforms, identical capabilities, and equal opportunity to leverage AI, but yet can end up with completely different outcomes? Well, that's because AI doesn't multiply the tools, it multiplies the person. So AI doesn't amplify your potential, it amplifies your identity. And I think Myron Golden said it best when he said, every authority issue is an identity issue. And I've seen it in so many different places, but we've got to have a self image that is greater than or equal to the vision that we have set for ourselves. Okay, so we've got to work on that identity. Technology never solves leadership problems, exposes them. That's why some leaders scale clarity while others scale chaos.